Welcome to today's episode where we guide you on how to start a successful bread bakery business in Africa. Bread is a daily staple across the continent, with millions enjoying it every morning. This creates a huge market opportunity for entrepreneurs like you to step in and build a profitable business. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know, from the machines required for baking to the marketing strategies that will help your bakery stand out. Bread is one of the most consumed food items in Africa. Whether it's breakfast, snacks, or sandwiches, bread is a common feature in households, schools, and restaurants. The demand for fresh, affordable bread is enormous, and with urbanization growing, the need for more local bakeries is increasing. High demand. Bread is consumed by millions daily. Affordable investment. Compared to other food businesses, the initial investment required for a bakery is reasonable. Market penetration. Bread is suitable for diverse demographics, making it easy to scale your business. Explore the African bread market, including consumption patterns, preferences, and regional variations. Analyze the existing competition in the African bread industry, identifying opportunities and challenges. Explore the advantages and disadvantages of setting up a bakery in urban or rural areas, considering factors like population density and purchasing power. It's important to decide on the type of bread you want to specialize in. White bread, whole grain, multi-grain, sourdough, and specialty breads each cater to different customer needs. White bread, most common and popular, whole grain and multi-grain, appeals to health-conscious consumers. Specialty breads, French baguettes, sourdough, and bread with seeds can offer a premium touch. By offering variety, you can target different customer segments, from budget buyers to premium customers looking for healthier or gourmet options. Now, let's talk about the essential machines you'll need to run a successful bakery. Depending on your budget, you can start with semi-automatic or fully automatic machines. Here's a list of must-have equipment. A. Mixers. Purpose. Mixers are used to knead the dough to the right consistency. Types. Spiral mixers are great for larger production, while planetary mixers are more versatile for small-scale operations. B. Dough dividers and rounders. Purpose. Helps to divide dough into equal portions and round it for consistency. Types. Semi-automatic dough dividers are common for small bakeries, while fully automatic ones are used in large production settings. C. Ovens. Types. Deck oven, ideal for artisanal bread or smaller bakeries. Rotary rack. Oven, suitable for high production. This oven rotates trays of bread for even baking. Convection oven, useful for smaller batches with uniform heat distribution. D. Proofing cabinets. Purpose. Helps dough rise at the right temperature and humidity. Tip. A controlled proofing environment ensures consistency in your bread. E. Packaging machines. Purpose. To package bread efficiently and hygienically. Types. Semi-automatic packaging machines are more affordable, while automatic packaging machines are faster and suitable for large-scale bakeries. When buying equipment, it's crucial to balance your budget and expected production capacity. Start small if needed, but make sure to leave room for scaling up your production as demand increases. Location is key to your bakery's success. Choose a location with high foot traffic, such as near schools, marketplaces, or residential areas. Your bakery should be easily accessible to your target customers. Proximity to suppliers. Ensure you're near suppliers for flour, yeast, and other ingredients to minimize transportation costs. Space requirements. You'll need enough space for your machines, storage, and a counter if you plan on selling directly to customers. To maintain high-quality bread, you need a reliable source for your raw materials. These include flour, yeast, sugar, and preservatives. Local suppliers. Partner with local mills and suppliers for ingredients. Bulk purchasing. Buying in bulk can reduce costs and help with inventory management. Quality control. Always ensure your ingredients are fresh to produce consistently good bread. With your machine set up and production ready, it's time to attract customers. Here are the marketing strategies that work best in Africa's bakery industry. A. Word of mouth. Bread is a local product, and word of mouth from satisfied customers can be your biggest asset. Encourage customers to refer others by offering promotions or discounts. B. Branding and packaging. Use attractive packaging to make your bread stand out. Invest in eco-friendly materials and ensure that your brand name is visible. C. Social media. Set up a presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to reach local audiences. Share photos of your fresh bread, promotions, and behind-the-scenes videos of your bakery. D. Partnerships. Partner with local restaurants, hotels, and grocery stores to expand your reach. Offering freshly baked bread to these establishments can help you build a consistent customer base. E. Delivery services. Offer a home delivery service to expand your reach, especially in urban areas where convenience is key. Like any business, running a successful bakery requires good financial planning. Keep track of your costs, including ingredients, labor, rent, utilities, and maintenance of machinery. Profit margins. Bread generally has a healthy profit margin, but be mindful of fluctuating ingredient prices. Pricing strategy. Price your bread competitively, but make sure to maintain a reasonable margin that allows for reinvestment into your business. Scalability. Once established, consider adding new products like pastries, cookies, or cakes to diversify your offerings. 8. Scaling your bakery business. 116 to 120 minutes. Visuals of a small bakery expanding to multiple locations. Narrator. As your bakery grows, you may want to consider expanding your operation. Opening new branches, investing in larger machines, or even franchising your bakery can help you scale faster. Automating processes. Transitioning from semi-automatic to fully automatic machinery can drastically increase production capacity. Branching out. Opening additional branches in neighboring towns or cities will allow you to reach more customers. Franchising. Once your brand is established, franchising can be a profitable way to scale quickly. Starting a bread bakery in Africa is a rewarding venture with great potential. With the right machines, good marketing, and solid financial planning, you can tap into the high demand for fresh bread and build a successful business. If you're ready to take the next step, subscribe to our channel for more tips on running successful businesses in Africa. Before starting your bakery, it's crucial to adhere to the local health and safety regulations. Compliance with food safety laws ensures the quality of your product and builds customer trust. A. Health and safety certifications. Food handling permits. Ensure all your staff undergo food handling training and receive the necessary certification. Regular inspections. Prepare for periodic health inspections by maintaining hygiene and safety standards. Licensing. Obtain the necessary business licenses from local authorities before opening your bakery. B. Cleanliness and hygiene. Sanitation. Make sure your bakery follows strict cleaning procedures for equipment, workspaces, and storage areas. Worker safety. Provide proper protective gear like gloves, aprons, and hairnets for your workers. Maintaining the highest hygiene standards will not only keep you compliant with the law, but also ensure your customers' safety, fostering long-term loyalty and positive word of mouth. Reliable supply chain management is the backbone of a successful bakery. Ensuring that you have consistent access to ingredients will help you maintain uninterrupted production. A. Reliable suppliers. Build relationships with trustworthy suppliers for key ingredients like flour, sugar, yeast, and preservatives. Negotiate bulk purchasing deals to reduce costs and secure better terms. B. Inventory management. Stock rotation. Implement a first in, first out FIFO inventory system to avoid spoilage. Buffer stock. Always maintain a buffer stock of your raw materials to avoid shortages during high demand periods. A well-managed supply chain helps avoid costly downtime and ensures your bakery is always operating at peak efficiency. Your workforce will be key to your bakery's daily operations. Hiring and training the right staff will improve productivity and ensure high-quality output. A. Skilled bakers. Hiring experienced bakers can make a big difference in ensuring consistent quality in your products. Offer on-the-job training to staff who need to learn the use of modern equipment. B. Sales and customer service. Train your sales team to interact with customers, manage cash registers, and handle inquiries. Good customer service builds loyalty and encourages repeat business. C. Management. As your bakery grows, you might need to hire a bakery manager to handle daily operations, staff, and inventory. Once you've established your bakery, retaining your customers becomes the next challenge. Here are a few strategies that can help you grow and maintain your customer base. A. Loyalty programs. Offer loyalty cards where customers get a free loaf of bread or a discount after a certain number of purchases. Starting a bakery in Africa is a rewarding venture with massive potential, but it requires careful planning and execution. From sourcing the right machines to developing effective marketing strategies, every step plays a vital role in your success. With a huge market and growing demand for fresh bread, this could be your chance to build a thriving business in your community.